a farm tour part 2. And also, there are some more plants here. And also, more plants right here. I've even used one of my old shoes that it cannot fit anywhere. Also, the hats turn into flower pots. And more plants right here. Ooh, sharp. And more cactuses. Wow! And actually, though, the baby chicks are hiding somewhere because they're scared of me. And some mushrooms, and more projects, more mushrooms, more plants, more plants, more plants. Also, that's so DIY too. DIY. And also more plants here. And more cactuses here. Look at them quickly. All of them are actually very long, like this one. So long. And here, and there, and here again. More cactuses. And more flowers. And also more flowers here and more flowers there. And this one's supposed to move like this. And now it doesn't work. More flowers here, more flowers there, and more flowers right there. More flowers there. How it turned into a flower pot. And also, now the flowers are growing. Flowers are already growing today. More flowers, and even bigger flowers. Cool. And more flowers over there. And more flowers, more flowers, more flowers. And some more flowers, and a lot more flowers. It's so cool. I did not know that my Lola has lots and lots of flowers. She has a lot. So very great. So also this one, there's a flower there. Flowers. Scared over. Also, more flowers. And this is Carter right over there. I got a little bit stuck in the wires. Okay. Also, there is a cat there, and also more. And this is a fountain. And there's one like this. This can open. It seems like this is broken. Okay. And the sign is like money. And a Christmas sign.
Oh, Merry Christmas!
More flowers here. And more flowers there. Also, this is Merry Christmas sign. These are on the coins. So Merry Christmas to all. And also there's an address there. I think that's an address. And also, this is what the room looks like. This is the kitchen. This is a fake turtle. Goodbye, guys. Thanks for watching. Press like and subscribe. Bye.